Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the MA admissions process of Tata Institute of Social Sciences. This happens through a test called TISNET. The announcement was done recently. So let's go through the important dates, understand the TISNET pattern, and we'll see how the entire admission process is going to work. Now, when it comes to important dates, the registrations have just started. So it started on the 17th December, and the last date for online registration is 7th Feb. The TISNET hall ticket will be made available from February 14 to 21st, and TISNET will be conducted on 26th Feb, which is a Saturday, from 2 o'clock to 3:40. So it's going to be a 100-minute test, as it has been the case previously as well. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the link to register, which is appln.tiss.edu/register. You can go to the website and start your registration process. When it comes to TISNET pattern, there are 100 questions to be attempted over 100 minutes. There are 3 sections in the test: English proficiency, mathematics and logical reasoning, and the general awareness section. There is no negative marking applicable for any of the TISNET programs. For English as well as for mathematics, there is no sectional cutoff either. But for the GK section, there is a sectional cutoff. So if you're a general category student or EWS or KM or AF, then 14 marks is the cutoff out of 40, which is 35%. Whereas if you're OBC/NC or a PWD student, then the cutoff is 12 marks. There is no sectional cutoff for SC or ST students. Now, please note that TISNET score is valid for all the programs, which means though you might be applying to multiple programs, you just have to submit, or rather they will be taking only one score, which is the score for TISNET. Now, when it comes to admission process, this offers 50 master's degree programs that you can choose from the 4 campuses that are there. However, you can apply to a maximum of 3 programs across any of the 2 campuses. While you are filling the form, you also need to indicate the order of preference. So let's say if you are selecting 3 programs, you have to specify which is your first, second, or third preference. In terms of post-test process, only shortlisted candidates will receive call letters for the second round. Now, the second round will be conducted in the month of March or April. They have not given exact dates yet. And this process will be conducted, or rather the test PAT or MAT, depending on which course it is. They have not yet announced the names of the programs for which test MAT will be applicable. This will be conducted before the online personal interview. So again, it is going to happen in the month of March or April. So what are the programs that you can look at? Now, most of the students who are interested in MBA HR equivalent programs can look at these 3 programs. These are offered by the School of Management and Labor Studies, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. So the programs are HRM and LR, Labor Studies and Practice, and Organization Development, Change and Leadership. Of course, in addition to this, there are a whole lot of programs that this offers related to education, related to social work, related to social entrepreneurship, and so on. If you want to have a look at those programs, you can go to this website, go to the main website of this, and you will find detailed information of what the program is all about and what is the curriculum and what is the fee structure and so on. If you have any questions, feel free to put a comment. We will try to answer at the earliest. We'll be making a separate video for detailed form filling. So we'll talk more about TISNET that time as well. I hope this video has helped you. So thank you so much for watching and wish you guys all the best for TISNET.